Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron 5406. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Dell Inspiron 5406 aren't responding, you're not alone. This issue can stem from various factors, including dust or debris lodged beneath the keys, or a malfunctioning keyboard. If left unaddressed, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further damage, so it's best to tackle this problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement keyboard specifically for the Dell Inspiron 5406. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your screws and components organized. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. Next, carefully flip the device over and locate the battery release latch. Slide the latch to remove the battery, ensuring safety during the repair. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them to reassemble the laptop. Once the screws are out, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you work around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the keyboard connector. This is typically found near the top of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the cable by lifting the latch on the connector. Now, you can remove the screws holding the keyboard in place. These screws are usually located along the top edge of the keyboard. Once they are removed, gently lift the keyboard from the chassis, being careful not to tug on any attached cables. Replace it with your new keyboard by positioning it correctly and reconnecting the cable. Once everything is securely in place, reattach the screws to hold the keyboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the keyboard, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws that hold the back panel and reattach the battery. Power on your device to ensure that the new keyboard is functioning correctly. To prevent future issues with your keyboard, regularly clean your device and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. Additionally, consider using a keyboard cover to protect against dust and debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.